Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out what I have here. I have a doormat. So let's go ahead and have a child behind me. So this is it here. This is for outside our front door. And let's just show you what we got. If I can open it up. Okay, so this is it here. It's got a little bit of a smell to it, but it's for outside, so it's okay. And this is heavy duty. So this will just go outside the front door, and it is good, and it's got good bristles on it, so it can clean off the mud off your feet. And it'll look good, and it's heavy, so it'll be out there, and that's what we're gonna have, so people can clean off their feet before they come in the house and get all gross. So very cool, great for the winter time. Thumbs up.